Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. Looking at this, it's the Philips Sonicare 4100 electric toothbrush. Let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So this is my preferred toothbrush. This is actually my second of this type of toothbrush. I had one earlier, loved it, and accidentally left it on vacation in the shower. I love that it's waterproof, water resistant, to where you can use it in wet environments like in the shower, because if you're gonna be doing something for 2 minutes, you might as well be under that nice warm water. Now, it's got two power settings and those 30-second quadrants. So you're just gonna go ahead and you're not gonna brush, you're just gonna hold it across your teeth, slowly but surely, get each tooth all the way around, and then it'll kind of vibrate like a big boop, and that means go to the next quadrant. You're gonna do the outside of your teeth up top, inside of your teeth up top, outside of your teeth on the bottom, inside of your teeth on the bottom, and it will kind of go boop, 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 and you'll know you're done. So, 14-day battery, powerful toothbrush, and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna ask you to stick around for the up-close portion of the video. We're gonna show you even more. But if you're looking for a great toothbrush to give you beautiful white teeth, this is the product for you.